How
Anyway,
are you, Gazi? How are you doing?
yeah, I'm good.
How do you say your name?
We call it Ghazi, Gazi.
Gazi?
Yeah, all right. Okay. Anyway, look, I like to ask different questions. Everybody knows the basic introduce. How are you? Where are you from? What do you do? What is your job? It's really common phenomenon. So I don't like to ask such kind of this question. It's like little bit personal question. So I don't like to interfere into the personalities to the foreigner without any asking.
Right. Yeah, no, I'm cool with personal questions. I don't care.
Yeah. Okay. So, what
Hey,
what what
Supra.
what is your profession?
I deliver the mail.
Just like a post office. Just you send mail.
Yes.
Yeah.
I work at the post office.
Ah,
Yes.
okay. I understand. My question is, when suppose you think you are figuring out a man for getting a relationship, so what kind of activities, what kind of aspect you look for a man that you can accept for making a friendship?
You asked me this yesterday, and I said honesty,
Mm-hmm.
being being true, being
Yeah.
honest,
Yeah.
and being genuine, like being who you are,
Mm-hmm.
and just being a good person. Just
Yeah.
being good,
Okay. But what about
like
the
true.
yeah, okay. But what about the money? Suppose you think a man is really speak true, honestly behave with the people, and you already followed to the boy for a couple of the weeks or couple of the months before getting the relationship, but the man doesn't have enough money. Will you prefer for getting a relationship with the man?
I wouldn't care about his financial situation. I've actually been stole my ex-boyfriends. I had two ex-boyfriends that stole from me. Like I would buy them stuff all the time, and then they ended up stealing from me, so I had to break up with them. But
Oh, yeah,
I
got
I'm,
it.
I don't care about.
Y-
I'm
y-
like I'm
Yeah,
somebody who to give.
how interesting it is. You know what? Y- y- we are from South Asian country, okay? So we people are completely different mind. Look, you said I don't care about the money. If the man has the truthfulness activities, speak true, and behave good with the people, that's the big world, in fact.
Yeah,
So
I don't care about the money.
yeah, do you have a boyfriend right now?
Do I have a boyfriend?
Yeah.
Mm-mm.
No,
There's
single.
not very many honest and true. Yeah,
Why?
there's not very many honest and true people out there.
Why are you single? You should have. You are really so beautiful and really kind person. So it's it's okay. It's completely
There's
personal
not very
question.
people out here. A lot of people they've stolen from me. They've lied to me
But are you not looking for any man? Why not?
because I don't trust them.
But you don't trust him, okay? But when you all men should have to make like you want to go outside with your friend and you want to talk like a friendship. When you get so frustration, you need a man to talk and to discuss about this. So life should be enjoyed, but as we know, the Western and European people like to enjoy their life. So you don't feel anything like that you need to make a friendship with a man or like this.
Oh, I want one. I just don't trust them. So it's better. I would rather be by myself than be with somebody I don't trust.
Mhm. Yeah, okay, you don't
You
trust, but
know?
you don't you don't like to make friendship with anyone in the future.
No, I do. I want one. It's just I don't. I have a hard time trust. I have a hard time believing that they're true.
All right. Yeah, it's really hard
that they're,
times of believing the
yeah,
truth, really.
yeah, that they're being honest.
Hmm. Oh, yeah.